Good morning, this is Phil from Hair For All London. Just got the front of the bongo and of course the poppies. So we're going to come into the office and signs on the door. First of all, let's have a few moments. Respect for the fallen. Thank you. Right, okay. Please wipe your feet. Can you kindly wash your hands on arrival and exit? Well, yeah, this is a coronavirus stage. Before you say Phil, you have not, Phil the hairman, you have not washed your hands. I've just had a shower and worked out, okay? So I'm going to forgive myself, plus I'm holding a camera. So I'm going to try and make this as interesting as possible because I'm going to do a hair replacement, hair system change. Bin, towel, sink, wash your hands. Let's show you around Hair For All. Oh, there's another one. So we're definitely making sure everyone is aware of all the cleaning products, is aware of keeping nice and clean while at HQ. So I want to talk about that actually while I'm walking around the place. Now come down into the corridor. What we've decided to do is have one stylist a day instead of two every day. We've got 3, 4 that work here, 4. But we're going on one stylist a day. Styling room 3. Nice and clean, as you can see. Baby wipes everywhere. Of course there's poppy appeal. So yeah, we're going on one stylist a day till further notice. So, what we ask is styling room 1. What we ask is all clients come in. If you're feeling unwell, just let us know. I'll WhatsApp you, or one of the stylists will, to help you for the self-maintenance. That's what goes with what we're teaching at the moment. The business model is teaching self-maintenance. Styling room 2. I'll be coming here to do my hair system changeover. There's my hair system. Nice room. Poppy, of course. Yeah, so the self-maintenance, learning to do this yourself, is what I find so easy. And you'll be seeing it in a minute. Okay, here's the workstation. And we go into the office. Another corridor. Another little workstation. There we go. Hello Zoe. Hello Megan. Hello Troy. Go into the admin office, or the engine room as they'd like to call it. Hello Katie. Hello Debbie. How you doing? Let's have a look. And then we go into this little waiting room. Seats, and you can see there the books. I'll go into that while I'm chatting. Portfolio and Essential Guide. How my flowers doing? They're still alive. Okay boys, thanks for guarding. Appreciate it. So we're back in the building. So yeah, I go back to the one stylist a day till further notice. We think that's best. Any clients that are coming in that do feel unwell, just let us know. If you've got to do it at home, then we've got the WhatsApp or Skype calls that we can help you with for people that are unsure. So this is my office. I brought some beauty into the room, there and there, because the beast is in here. Yeah, so just call us up and then we'll be able to help you. Right, so what I've done today is I've worked out and I have actually showered and washed my hair system because I want to remove it and I want to do it reasonably fast. I've taped up the system and taken off the tape. I alternate 2 systems as you know, and the good part about these, am I in? Yeah. The good part about these systems is I'm alternating them and they're 4 months old and they're looking good. Have a little spin. Look at that stall. So they're looking good and I'm delighted with them, but I wear for once a week, as you know. and I've got the swoosh look, which is easy to just wear tapes. So that's what I've been doing for, crikey, well over a year now. Sometimes I wear the adhesive at the front, but generally just tapes all the way around, and once a week attachment. So I've worked out, I've showered, and I pretty much clean my head in the shower. I don't normally do this, but I want to show you how quickly you can remove a hair system and put a new one on. Okay? Right, because I got tapes, I was really careful, because I got tapes, I've got long nails, I can actually get under the lip of the lace and gently pull this up. Now I'm going to do this really, if I yank this off, it'd be a bad decision, because the tape can come away from the lace and end up ripping it. Yeah, so that's been on for a week and you can still see it's quite solid. Facelift? Yeah, I know, I need one. Right, so I'll peel it back gently. And because I've worked out this morning and then showered afterwards, the actual tape won't be as tacky, because it actually re-adheres once it dries. It's amazing, really. So this isn't hurting me too much. So I'll just remove it like this. A little bit. Shall I cry? Right, okay. So it's been on a week. Normally I'd wash and scrub my hair now. So I'm going to do the next best bend thing. I'm going to use a multi-surface wipe. Hopefully this is for my head. Right, so I just wipe this clean. You can see there's a bit of redness where I poured it there, but that's not too bad. So normally I wash this with C22, etc. There we go, we've got some more of this. Keep your hands clean and tidy. Bins everywhere. So now I'll dry the head. Use some scalp protector. What I do now is do this around here, and I don't get a reaction from it just gives a redness, and it helps me with the guidelines when I do that for attaching the hair system. So I can feel that drying as we speak. While it's drying, I'll do a little bit of cleaning. Use the baby wipes, keep the place clean. Right, so that's pretty much done. I can feel this dry. So now I attach, because I've done it so many times, I put 3 fingers above, you can see my crease, and I aim for that. Like I said in some videos, sometimes I get it bang on, sometimes I don't, but it's just within a couple of mil, and you know, I'm not going to fret about that. If it's too high, then I'll wear it more further down. If it's slightly too low, I'll flick it up a bit more. But generally, I get it spot on. Concentrate now. Yep, I recognise that. And I'm rolling this on, keeping the tension. I go into the middle, stretch it a little bit, tense it, pressure there. Right, I haven't got a towel, so I'll improvise. Let's see if this works. Never done it before. Probably won't. Yay! It works. One take fill. Right, now the finale. How quick can I get this done? Again, I'm going to saturate this, the hair system. Good thing about tapes is you can get your hair wet pretty much straight away, like I am. can see there, I'm gonna see there's a part sticking out. That's gonna be a little bit of a problem in the way that I've got to saturate them all. I was hoping not to use the hairdryer in front. Oh, let's get there. So this is the second one. I alternate. Going back to the nice blue books you've seen, we've got a portfolio with fantastic pictures in there, and we've got Essential Guide, which is Essential Guide for Surfaces at Hair for All London, and that gives a menu, what you can get for your money basically, and I think it's fab, right? So we're doing all the training at HQ. Where people come in and we give them packages to learn how to self-maintain. My goal is to get people being able to do self-sufficient and then choose if they want to come here. Yeah, and then you can spend the money on the quality systems that we provide. Because what a lot of people have done is gone on the internet, seen cheaper and think they look the same. They don't. So if we can get the cost where the maintenance is down, and then you invest in quality, well, not bad.